Try natin to. Come what may. When she looks, I know the girls see things nobody else can see. Secret fears inside, and all the closeness I hide. She looks into my soul, reads me like nobody can. And she doesn't judge the man, she just take me as I am. Come what may, she believes there is something I'd never known before. Come what may, she loves me, and that love has helped me open a door, making me love myself a little more. Practice natin yung song na ito. When I turn away, she knows this all the times. There's nothing she can say, nothing that anyone can do, and so she let me live it through. And when in my darker hours of uncertainty, she just simply let me be, and goes right on loving me. But may she believe there is some things I never known before. Come what may, she loves me. That love has helped me open a door, making me love myself a little more. Kabisada. Ayan, thank you very much. 12:44 ng umaga ko to kinakanta. Madaling araw. Ayan. Ayan, nag-ano tayo, gawa tayo ng content. Kasi ganitong oras lang dito tahimik. Tapos practice na din tayo ng song. Anyways, maraming salamat sa inyong panonood sa pagtsatsaga ng aking boses. Ingat po palagi and God bless us all. Bye guys. Ingat.